everybody. Thank you. Well, I spent all week working on my song, and I hope you enjoy it. If you'd like to learn about content to help your company, join the Undercover Billionaire Bootcamp, taking place in February. Social media is the way of the future. See your business all over the computer. Nobody will see you on the paper or TV. The digital space is where people shine, folks like you and me. The place to be is wake up at the oldest building in Pueblo, older than Queen Elizabeth, Dick Van Dyke, and quarterback Drew Bledsoe. And we'll all be here to guide you on your journey. You never know who'll show up, maybe even Bert and Ernie. Grow your audience and get known throughout your homestead. Be obsessed or be average, just like Grant Cardone said. So don't be afraid to open those eyelids. Take your business from $0 to over $5 million, just like Matt and Grant did. It's time for boot camp to get known in your community. Pack your gear and hit the road for this awesome opportunity. We'll take it easy on you, or maybe we won't. Bring some ice packs and some bandages, just in case we don't. So come join us here in Pueblo. We hope to see you soon, and we'll take your 10x business all the way to the moon. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. We'll see you in February.